Okay, the title of that music is...
Earthquake.
That is correct! Palakpakan! Even hindi nila alam no, but that's correct. That's earthquake. So ma'am, are you ready to do an earthquake dance move? Okay. Pwede ka man damay. Sino gusto may damay? Pwede ka man damay. Okay, ma'am, halika. Palakpakan naman natin. She is... the mother of the bride. Ma'am, eto ha. Hindi tayo mapayag na muli ka dito ma'am. Wala pong practice na nangyari ha. Biglaan to. Okay? Mother, ready ka na? Okay, let's have the music! Go! Go! Go!